Hello and welcome to my food class. We have pasta, so we're making a pasta bake. With your pasta, you will need vegetables, tomatoes, seasoning and cheese. Set your oven to 180 degrees. Cook 200 grams of pasta shapes. Use the bridge and claw methods to chop a pepper, 4 mushrooms and a red onion. Test a piece of the pasta to check that it is al dente. Drain and put back in the pan and mix in the vegetables. Measure out 100 grams of passata. To season, you will need salt, pepper, and either dried or fresh herbs. Mix everything together in an oven-proof dish. Top with cheese. Bake for 20 minutes. Bake until the veg is cooked and the cheese is golden.
Música